Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. In this video, I'll be going to a train station that also has a public bath inside. I'm here at this station called Kitakami in Iwate Prefecture, and I'm gonna be taking this train to head over to that train station. This is the Kitakami Line heading towards Yokote. There's only one car. There's even a bathroom here. The Kitakami Line runs through the mountains between Iwate and Akita Prefecture. It's a quiet local train with only 8 trains running per day. The line's been around since the 1920s. Part of it was rebuilt when they built a dam in the 60s. That dam became a lake called Kinshugo, and now the train passes right along it. You'll see this view of the lake later in the video. The views are apparently really good in the fall or during winter when everything's covered in snow. So maybe I should come here during the fall season or like peak winter season for that. In this video, I'm gonna be heading to Hottoyuda Station. What's special about this place is that inside the station building, there's a real hot spring bath. And since there aren't many trains running, you can just take a bath while waiting for the next one to come. This Hottoyuda Eki no naka no onsen, so the public bath inside the station. But before I go out, look at this vibe. Look at the amount of snow. What is today? April 4th right now. It's hard to believe it's spring. Cool. There's no stop after 3 p.m. The onsen is here. The public bath is here and it closes at 9 p.m. I'm gonna go here after I explore around the area a bit. Oh. Here's a sign on one side and there's a sign that looks more like the onsen entrance on this one. It is 5:40 p.m. right now, and the train I have to take to get back to Kitakami Station is at 7 o'clock. So I have about an hour and a half. Here's the overall vibe of the station. What is this? I think, oh, there's a restaurant, there's a soba store, there's like a souvenir store. Since I'm here and I don't know the next time I'll be coming here, I thought this would be a good time for me to just look around the area. I'm not gonna go too far down. You saw it on the clip of me heading to the station on the train, but there is a nice lake area around here. Oh my god, look at that. I can't, dang it. I can't go to this side. Look how beautiful that is. Holy moly. Well, even this side too. Wow! Is this the bridge for the cars or the train? Well, regardless, it's so cool. And then on the other side, well, you take a look at that. That's beautiful as heck. Wonder if there's a way I can get a little bit closer to that area. Maybe I'll walk along the road over there. I wasn't expecting the temperature to drop this much. It is 3 degrees right now. I think it was 8 degrees before I took the train. Let's see if I can get a better view of the lake here. If I can't see the lake from here, I'm gonna give up. Oh, whoa! This is beautiful. Oh, these are stairs. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna go down there because it's muddy as heck. It's probably super slippery. I guess you can go down there just to take a really close look at the lake if you want. Here is an unnecessary clip of me and the beautiful lake. There's still a lot of snow over there. And look at these mountains too. The longer you stay in Tokyo, the more amazed you'll be when you see mountains like this. The Tokyo equivalent to mountains are buildings. Okay, I'm going to say bye to this lake. I'm glad it's cold over here. It is 3 degrees or 4 degrees right now. The onsen will probably feel really nice. I'm not like a huge fan of onsens to begin with. The only time I use it is when it's cold. And I hope you understand, but I can't film inside the public bath. I can't just film naked people. That's really bad. Please don't do that if you come to Japan. Since I can't film literally inside the bath, I'm just gonna share you my overall experience from this voiceover. So the entry fee was 440 yen, but if you don't bring your own towel, you have to pay 300 yen for a face towel and a body towel. Lockers are 100 yen if you need one. As for the bath, there were 3 sections. One was super hot, one was like regular, and one that was a little cooler. What made this bath really interesting is that there was a traffic light that tells you when the next train is coming. When you see a blue light pop up, that means the train is gonna come in 45 to 30 minutes. If you see a yellow light pop up, that means there's 30 to 15 minutes left till the next train comes. And then a red light means there's less than 15 minutes left till the next train comes. Unfortunately, there wasn't a Rotenburo, the outdoor bath. That would have been super nice, especially how quiet the area is and how cold outside is. And also, apparently there's a foot bath outside the building, but I forgot to check it out. The train I have to take is coming in 20 minutes, and as much as it looks very comfy lying down, I don't know if this is a bad thing, but I feel so sleepy after taking that bath. So I feel like if I lie down, I'm gonna miss that train, and I'm gonna miss my bullet train back to Tokyo. So maybe it's better if I just go downstairs and go to the train break area. The train I have to take is this one at 7:10 p.m. Alright, so this is what the night view looks like. Completely different from what I saw a couple hours ago. Alright, so I'm just going to be waiting until the Kitakami Line comes. I'm going to be taking a train until the Kitakami Station, and from there I'll be taking a bullet train to Tokyo. So this will be the end of the 4-part Morioka trip series. I hope you liked it. The algorithm thinks you like this video over here, so feel free to check that video out as well. Alright, bye bye.